Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the liftgate struts in Scion TC. What you have to do, you have to use a small screwdriver to pry open this clip. First the top one. And then you have to remove another one on the bottom. Again, pry it open. I'll show you guys how they look. Now you can pull off the strut. And be careful guys, the hatch will go down, that's why you have to hold it with one hand or you need another person to hold it for you. And then the bottom one can be taken off as well. This is how the strut looks like on this end, and on the other end it's also a good idea guys to put some silicone inside when you install the new ones. And this is the part number for the OEM struts. On the ends of the struts you will see two slots. These are used to reinstall our spring. So before we reinstall the strut, we'll put the spring partially on like this. This is the easiest way to do it, and we'll do it on both sides. And now, once we reinstall the strut, you'll just snap them back in place. Now you can install the new strut. First the bottom. Can do the top. Again guys, another person has to hold the hatch while you do it, so as you can see it easily snaps into place, and now it's properly secured, and the right side is complete. The replacement of the second strut gets done exactly the same way. First you remove this clip, one on the bottom right here, then the strut comes out and you put a new one. Again guys, I want to point out that it's best to replace them one by one. First you do the right side, then you replace the left side. And when you replace them, it's a good idea to replace both struts, because if only one strut is bad, then it means that the second one is almost done as well. So replace them as a set. Thank you guys for watching, we'll see you in the next video.